Did you water the bushes? I don't mind a rematch. If you guys don't mind. Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
Now it's feeling good. Wind's dying down.
The only problem with this is we're gonna win this game, and then you guys are gonna.
Yeah, we'll have to get our own match. You're right. You called 1-2 as the score. Nobody said anything. That was so bad. No one else heard it, I don't think.
Sorry, there's no one laughing, so I don't want to set him.
Yep, that was in.
Did you serve already? 1-2. All right, 1-2. Serve. Serve. 2-2. You play better with the full bladder.
I guess so. Weighs me down.
It gives you ballast.
Yeah.
2-2. Oh no. 3-2. Serve 3-2. Good.
Oh, wow. Mike, love you guys. Love you.
4-2, 4-2. Serve 4-2.
Yeah. Oh no, he's there.
I think we have 5. I said 4. If you don't know, then you don't know. 3-4. I thought we had 5. You have to know it too. 3-4. Oh!
I'm going to take a sip.
5.
Fine.
Esther. Hey.
5 5.
이거. 와, 형. 이거.
Wow. Damn, much is there.
Well, it was over the net on their side. First one. Right?
2 5.
Five.
Call the point for the good guy. That's called pass.
6.
7 6.
You guys are trying, huh? You're the good guy.
My bad.
Help. Nice.
Oh, crap.
7-9.
Everything's going behind us.
Thank you. All right, 7 9. Serve 7 9. Out.
That's good.
Oh, I heard it. I heard
I'll
the
let
line.
Mike know. He was okay, 7 7. Just because this system is good. Yeah, everything in this life is good.
It's a different sound.
Oh, I heard it.
No, you didn't.
7 7. Okay.
Him. Nice. 11-7.
Wow.
guys text each other before coming, or is this your regular Monday? Your Monday look? 7:13. 11:13.
The move there.
The fourth team member, the win.
Waited as long as I could. Yeah. Almost still hit the ground.
I know, right? You have to think about how much time will it take. Maybe we just let you win. I think it's 11:13, is that right? You should be good. I don't know what side is the good side, actually. We might be on the good side now with the wind. If it's blowing this way, then it helps us. Yeah. We can hit it harder and it stays 11:13. Which way is the wind blowing? Changing. 12:13. Help. Nice, Esther. 13:13. Next time, go pee at the end after the game is over.
I did. After the last.
13:13. Come on, Jesus. You can do it. Jesus. 14:13.
Ah!
14 up. He's gonna serve. 14 up.
4-4.
You know, foil. 15-14. I gotta go. Every time. Fifteen up. Serving. That was a perfect shot. Serve 16-15.
Ah.
Okay,
Yeah.
17-15.
Number man.
Yeah. We call those condoms around here. 17-15. Serve. Nice blocking. Good.
Okay, Jesus wants to play the rubber man.
Yeah. 8-5, 8-5.
Mike doesn't want to play the rubber.
You try.
What's this again? Yeah. Okay. 7-6.